Hi friend, good morning. What I am going to show you today is builder floor for sale in very secure location in South Delhi. So this is a 600 square yard plot size, and there are total each 4 floor in this building, and there are 4 bedroom on each floor. So this is a driveway, car parking, basically tool driveway. This is a main gate. Building, this is a ground, basement also this building. This is a first driveway, and I am going to show second driveway. This one is second driveway, second entry gate, and this is a main gate of the floor, and also lift each building. Total connect is 4 floor this lift. Let me show you inside how this apartment is made. This is a entry. Very spacious apartment. You can see very spacious apartment. Living area is quite large, so very big living area. You can see if you want to buy this whole building, then you have to pay 48 crore CR, 48 millions rupees. So otherwise, if you want to buy a single apartment like this type, then you have to spend less 15 crore rupees. This is amazing apartment. This one is first bedroom, this floor. This space is AC. This is very secure location and 24 by security. This is attached bathroom. It's a very secure location because nearby Basant Continental Hotel, Taj Hotel, and India Gate is also nearby. American school is also, German school is also here, just nearby. And nearby is very big market and mall also. This one is powder room and call guest toilet also. This one is geyser. And if you want to rent this kind of apartment, then at least you can pay 2.5 lakhs to 3 lakhs rupees. This one is separate dining area. Separate dining area, this one. And also attached kitchen, modular kitchen. If you want to buy such apartment and give it on a rent, then you will get 2.5 to 3 lakh rupees per month. अगर आप इस तरह का अपार्टमेंट ख़रीद कर रेंट पे देना चाहते हैं तो आपको ईजिली 2.5 से 3 लाख रुपया पर मंथ का इनकम शुरू हो जाएगा. दिस इज सेपरेट स्पेस फॉर रेफ्रिजरेटर एंड chimney. Microwave also. I have so many apartment in low budget. If you have any requirement, so please tell me. This one is second bedroom. No, sorry, this one is also dining space, not second bedroom. This one is second bedroom. Same like attached bathroom and also attached almirah. This one is attached bathroom. Every bedroom attached bathroom and attached balcony. Shower also. A small almirah. This one is third bedroom. Also attached almirah. आप देख सकते हैं कि सेफ्टी के लिए ग्रिल ऑलरेडी इसके अंदर लगाया हुआ है. Attached bathroom. Again modular bathroom. So friend, I have all kind of apartments and villa and mini farmhouse and big farmhouse and high-rise apartment is available for rent and sale, Delhi NCR. So you have any requirement, so please let me know anytime. Again I show you same bedroom. So let's go. Other bedroom, this one is master bedroom and attached bathroom. This one is master bathroom. So very loaded bathroom, so beautiful bathroom as you can see. This one is jacuzzi, modular jacuzzi, and also attached music system. So large bathroom, and this is a shower. So I would like to tell you again that if you have any requirement, you can definitely call me and message me. So this one is master bedroom, also attached almirah. And thank you so much, thank you very much for watching my video, and you take care of your parents and hope that everything goes well in your house. So I hope you and your family are safe. So thank you so much again watching my video. So if you have any inquiry, please tell me, boss. So take care, and this one is attached almirah. So thank you so much watching this video again. Okay, bye, take care, and take care also your parents. So thank you so much, and I will show you outside one time, because road is very wide road and very greenery this colony, and 24/7 security guard here, and also attached park. This one is a small park. Total this building is 4th floor and basement is also